Good morning, students. Chapter is trigonometry. Continuation of the same chapter. Here our aim is to prove some trigonometrical identities. So, applying the trigonometrical identities, we prove some problems. Look here. The first question, right? 1 by 1 minus sin a plus 1 by 1 plus sin a equal to 2 sec square a. Here this is a fraction and here this is also a fraction. Our aim is to add two fractions, isn't it? Here what's the first step? Take the LHS. Copy this LHS. Then taking the LCM. Here 1 minus sin a and 1 plus sin a. Therefore, the product is the LCM. 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Now cross multiplication. 1 plus sin a plus 1 minus sin a. Plus sin a minus sin a cancel. 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. That is 2 by, what is 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a? That is 1 minus sin square a. Write that step. 1 minus sin square a. Again, what is 1 minus sin square a? 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Therefore, the answer is 2 by cos square a. 2 into, what is 1 by cos? 1 by cos is sec. Therefore, the answer is 2 sec square a. Right. Second problem. Prove that cot square a by cosec a plus 1 the whole square equal to 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Now, take the LHS. Here also we take the LHS. What's the LHS? Cot square a by cosec a plus 1 the whole square. How can you write that cot square a? The denominator is cosec a plus 1. Then how can you write that cot square a? Cot square a is cosec square a minus 1. Cosec square a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1 the whole square. Very simple step. Cot square a we write as cosec square a minus 1. Again the numerator is of the form a square minus b square. How can you write a square minus b square? That is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore the step is cosec a plus 1 into cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1 the whole square. Say the next step. Cosec a plus 1 and the whole square cancel. Isn't it? Therefore you will get, right, cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1. Cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1. Cosec a plus 1. Cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1. Look here, the answer in terms of sine. How can you write this cosec a? Cosec a is 1 by sin a minus 1 by sin a plus 1. Taking the LCM. 1 minus sin a by sin a by 1 plus sin a by sin a. Denominator sin a cancel. Check the answer. 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Here The main step is convert that the first cot square A as cosec square A minus 1. Okay. Third question, look here. Cosec A by cosec A minus 1 plus cosec A by cosec A plus 1 is equal to 2c square A. There also fractional type. What's this method? Taking the LCM. LCM means, look here, cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus 1. Product is the LCM. Always the product is the LCM. Now, cross multiplication, isn't it? Cosec A into cosec A plus 1 plus cosec A into cosec A minus 1. Now open the bracket. Cosec A into cosec A, that is cosec square A plus cosec A into 1 is here, 1 cosec A plus cosec A into cosec A again, cosec square A minus cosec A, the whole by what is cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus 1? That is cosec square A minus 1. That's the next step. Cosec square A minus 1. Again, what is cosec square A minus 1? That is cot square. Now, plus cosec A minus cosec A cancel. Cosec square A plus cosec square A is 2 cosec square A by cot square A. Now, converting in its lowest terms, 2 into cosec square A, we know that 1 by sine square A, agree? Into, what is cot square A? Cot is cos by sine. Cos square A by sine square A means that comes in the numerator. Sine square A cancel. 2 by cos square A. 2 by cos square A. Look at the answer. What is the answer? The answer is in the form 2c square A. 2 into 1 by cos square A is c square A. 1 by cos square A is c square A. The main step is, if the question is in the fractional form, take the LCM, then the method is cross multiply, then convert the higher power into the lowest terms. Now, copy the fourth question. 1 plus, prove that 1 plus sin A by cos A plus cos A by 1 plus sin A equal to 2 ck. 2 ck. Copy the question. Here also fraction. The method is taking the LCM. When you take the LCM, cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now look here. What is 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A? A into A square. Isn't it? Therefore 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A the whole square. 1 plus sin A the whole square. Plus cos A into cos A is cos square A. Right here. Do this step. Look here. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A the whole square, not 1 plus sin square A. Understand? A into A is A the whole square, or A plus B into A plus B is A plus B the whole square. Therefore, 1 plus sin A the whole square plus cos square A. Then very important fact is, in the question, what is the denominator? What is the denominator here? Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Do not open the bracket. Understand? Not write cos A plus cos A sin A. Keep that cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now, what is A plus B the whole square? A square. 1 square plus 2ab 2 sin a plus sin square a plus that cos square a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now, what is this sin square a plus cos square a? The last two. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. That one, then this one changes to 2. 2 plus 2 sin a. Look at the numerator. 2 plus 2 sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now, which is common from the numerator? From the numerator, you can take 2 outside. Now, 2 into 1 plus sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Agree? What's the next step? 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a cancel. 2 by cos a. What is 2 by cos a? 2 by cos a is 2 into ck. 2 ck. Understand? That's the fraction is there. Take the LCM if two fractions are there. That means for non-fractional type questions. Now, next type question. Copy the fifth question. What is fifth question? 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a equal to ck minus tan a the whole square. 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a equal to ck minus tan a the whole square. Here, take the LHS. What's the LHS? 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. In a question, if there is only one fraction, listen carefully. In a question, if there is only one fraction, that is a by b, then take the conjugate of the denominator, multiply and divide. Understand? In a question, if the LHS contains only one fraction form, then the method is take the conjugate of the denominator. What is the denominator? 1 plus sin a. Then what is the conjugate of 1 plus sin a? That is 1 minus sin a by 1 minus sin a. You can put bracket. The numerator 1 minus sin a into 1 minus sin a. 1 minus sin a the whole square. Not right 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin a the whole square by denominator is always a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 minus sin square a. Understand? Then 1 which implies 1 minus sin a the whole square by what is 1 minus sin square a? Say loudly. What is 1 minus sin square a? Very good. Cos square a. Now listen. Here one square, here also one square. We know that a square by b square we can write a by b the whole square. A square by b square, how can you write? A by b the whole square. Therefore, this implies 1 minus sin a by cos a the whole square. Understand? 1 minus sin a by cos a the whole square. Next step. If the denominator contains only one term, if the denominator contains only one term, here only one term, cos a, the method is split. What's the method? Split. How can you split that? Look here. A minus b by c means a by c minus b by c. This is simple maths. A minus b by c is a by c minus b by c. In that way, how can you write this? 1 by cos a minus sin A by cos A, the whole square. Now look at the answer. This is not the answer for. Look at the answer. Sec minus tan A. What is 1 by cos A? Sec. Sin A by cos A. Tan A. The whole square. That is equal to RHS. Hence proved. One more question. One more question. Right. Sixth question. Same. 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Here also take the LHS. 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Say, what's the conjugate of the denominator? 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. The same type of the previous one. Here this is sin A, here this is cos A. That's the only difference. Same. 1 minus cos A the whole square by 1 minus cos square A. A square by B square we can write 1 minus cos A. Not here. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. One more step. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Therefore 1 minus cos A by sin A the whole square. Split. Only one term split. 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A. What is 1 by sin A? What is 1 by sin A? Cosec A minus cot A the whole square. Take the RHS. RHS is cot A minus cosec A the whole square. We know that A minus B the whole square is same as B minus A the whole square. Isn't it? Therefore, we can change the answer. Cot A minus cosec A the whole square. Do it. Write minimum 3 times. First you by heart all the identities, then apply the method. Okay.